Hi, I'm Sansa Kumaran, Doctor of Audiology, Clinical Director of the Ear Company. Welcome back to All About Hearing. So here's a question. When's the right time to get a hearing aid? My answer? When you feel like it. Now, that's kind of a tongue-in-cheek answer. But it's actually fairly correct if you understand what I'm saying. So getting a hearing aid is not about how severe your loss is. It's not about not about that at all. It's actually about your perception of difficulty. And what I mean by that is when you have a hearing loss that you are aware of, when you're aware of how it impacts your life, then all of a sudden it's having some repercussions that you're aware of. I certainly have had patients come in here who've had severe hearing losses that are undeniable to most people around them. And of course, their family's telling them they need to get a hearing aid. They come in, we assess, we know that they've got a hearing loss, but then when you talk to that person, they'll tell you, well, I'm fine. I don't have any problems. And the answer that I have to them is, well, if you don't have any problems that you know of, this is not the time to get a hearing aid because someone else told you to do it. Here's here's the things that you might see when you have a hearing loss, when you have this, and that person I'll inform them as to what they might recognize. Now, they may come back later on and say to me, Sanj, you're right, and it is bothering me, and now I want to do something. Well, that's a better time to do something about your hearing loss than if someone else just told you to do about it. It's because they felt like it. They felt like they were having difficulty. They felt like they were having enough problems to impact their lives significantly. So when I say the best time to get a hearing aid is when you feel like it, it means a lot of things. It's not just an internal feeling. Feeling like it is also something that inside of you. And when you feel like it, it's because you have certainly that perception of difficulty, but you also have a mental readiness to take it on. It's not just about knowing the difficulty, but you've got to be willing to take on the difficult task sometimes of adapting to a hearing aid. So when you are truly ready, when you feel like it, that's the right time to get a new hearing aid. Until next time, I'll talk to you on All About Hearing.
All About Hearing is brought to you by the Ear Company on Lansdowne Street. The Ear Company, your best choice for better hearing.